Hello everyone, my name is Wisniewski, and this is my ENME351 Lab 9 final project. If you ever wanted a little defense system for your own, well, this is my design of one. This right here is Isaac, and he's got this little card right here that he wants to keep away from suspicious individuals. So I designed a little defense system to keep this card safe. Looking at the circuit itself, we have a few components here. The main two being this ultrasonic sensor that detects distance between itself and another object. The servo motor up here, a buzzer, two LEDs, and a switch. Giving a little go around of the system. For how it functions, the system is supposed to detect the distance between one target and how close it comes to the sensor, and then, depending on the distance, enact different stimuli. So if it detects a target between around here, it will turn on this red LED over here. If it gets closer, it'll turn on the LED and the buzzer. If it gets close enough, this servo motor will move the card out of the way, out of harm's reach. This system is also turned on and off by a switch you can see right there. Now on to the code to show you a bit more. So this is the code section of my video. Here we have the Arduino code, which covers all the different pins. We have a section here that basically determines the distance from the sensor to the object. We have here making sure that the device is on with the switch and the pin is set high for that. We make sure that for specific distances, specific parts are turned on. Like if the distance is less than 20, we have the red pin on. The distance less than 10, we have the buzzer on, etc., etc. We send a string output to the serial monitor, so that way it can go to the processing code, and we make sure that we have a delay for this. Now over to the processing code. The processing code mainly does three things. It displays text that correlates with the different threshold values. It displays a HUD that shows how far away the object is from the card, and it shows the numbered distance that it reads off of the sensor. Additionally, it also shows an image once the servo motor turns on for the first time. Now let's get on to the video demo. First, we're going to upload our processing code and start to run it. Then, for my object of choice, I chose this little deck box because of its size and shape. And now we shall turn on the system using the switch over here. There's now a green LED, and you can see that the processing code is now displaying that nothing to see here. That's because the system thinks it is not a threat because it is too far away. But as you move the box closer, it says that there's an intruder nearby, and there is a dot representing its distance away from the card. As we get closer, we also see that the red LED turns on. As we get even closer, we hear this buzzer go off. And then finally, as we get close enough, the servo motor turns up, the card goes away, the defense measures are activated, and we get this little funny image. So yeah, that's my demo for ENME351 Lab 9. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This project was pretty fun, and yeah, here's the little Isaac. Bye-bye.